stunning home has never been on the market before, and once you see it, you'll understand why.
This is where custom design meets comfort and lifestyle meets location, all tucked away in one of Ladner's most desirable family-friendly pockets. Come take a look. Fire up this built-in barbecue while enjoying this covered patio all year round. Step into your backyard oasis, professionally landscaped and designed so you can relax and entertain.
Let's get you inside this one-of-a-kind gem. Book your private tour with me today.